What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and the road trip continues. We're in Canada, and we're heading towards the town of Whistler, one of the biggest ski towns in the world, and we're gonna go get into some shenanigans over there, so let's go. I'll tell you one thing, diesel has not been cheap in Canada. We're gonna get out of this country. It's getting crazy. Hey, sweet, we got ourselves a little ghost town here. Let's go check it out. Cool. Nice. That's pretty sweet. Stumbled upon this ghost town on the side of the road. It's pretty cool. You know what's sweet this time is I have my mountain bike, so I'm gonna be able to get on some of these world famous Whistler mountain bike trails, so that should be good. If you guys look back at my videos from maybe February of 2022, you will see a video, I think it's called like Scariest Drive I've Ever Done, or the Scariest Drive I've Ever Done, or something like that. Check that out. I'm basically driving the truck house in the winter, towing a Suzuki Samurai behind me up this crazy mountain pass that we're about to drive up, and it was terrifying. I had to chain up, and it's called the Duffy. You can imagine coming down this in the winter with a trailer, and the conditions were absolutely treacherous, like just nasty ice and a whole bunch of snow. But yeah, it's a crazy road. All right, we did it. Came down the steep hill, screaming down it, lowest gear I had. But now we're down in the flats, and Pemberton's coming up. Whistler's right behind it. Good morning. It's a Monday, I think. I forget what day. I don't know what day it is. Just think about being on the road, you forget the day. Check out this view out the window though. We're in Pemberton, British Columbia right now. So we're right down the street from Whistler. I stayed at this restaurant where I got a burger last night. I think it's called The Pony. Get some other van lifers out here chilling out. But we're gonna roll on into Whistler this morning. There's a big mountain biking festival going on, so not that I'm a big mountain biker, but go check it out. Go ride some trails. We're gonna go roll down to a local coffee shop down the street and get the day started. Let's go. We have arrived to Whistler, BC. I'm gonna go to the big ski area parking lot. You can park free there all day, and figure out my plan, look up some mountain bike trails. I think there's like a mountain bike festival happening too, so go check it out. Alright, I think the day lots, yes, lots 1 through 5. Alright, y'all, we're here at the resort. We're in parking lot 4, which is the cheapest place to park. It's $8 a day, it's not too crazy. I've decided that I'm gonna go check out the Whistler Mountain Bike Park. This is probably the most famous, most epic mountain bike park in the world. If you don't know what a mountain bike park is, I don't either. Never been to one, so all I know is it's gonna get interesting. There's a lot of man-made features and berms, ramps, tables, jumps, planks, all kinds of stuff going on. So I'm gonna try not to kill myself. Let's go. The only thing is I've got a hardtail, so we'll see how that goes. Try the bike park thing.
Yeah, have you been here before?
No, I'm just passing through. Yeah, totally.
And is it one day?
Yeah, just one day of just passing through.
Right, I'll waiver, so you'll just need to print your name, sign today's date being the 8th of the 8th. Emergency contact name and number on the back.
I'm in. Yeah, I've never paid to ride a bike, so this is totally new. Oh, yeah, go ahead. It's fine.
Can you take yours off?
Oh, yeah, man.
Put it on the rack.
Put on the rack. Get in there, Deb. All right. Good?
Yeah. Just the little one can't go on the rack.
Good, sorry, man. Sorry, guys, a little too late notice. No one.
No worries. 20-inch bikes don't fit on.
Yeah, don't fit on there.
The spray's too deep.
You guys come up here a pretty good bit?
I know it's our first time. Well, it's their first time here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we've been here for a couple weeks.
It's kind of funny. What's going on tonight? Whatever's going on here?
No, this is on Saturday. I think if you're an athlete, you can,
Well, thank you. All right, it's about to get real. First Whistler Trail. We're gonna start off nice and easy and then just start stepping it up. So let's go hit Easy Does It first. Successful so far. Got 2 laps in. We're gonna go up and try a tougher one now with some big berms and jumps and all that stuff. See what happens. We've gone right a couple times. Now we're going left. Try to crank it up.
Karate monkey.
You good? speed. It's a cool trail. Cool. Oh, my hands are tired. If some full suspension would be pretty nice. I still have yet to see one hardtail. It's still pretty fun though. I'm absolutely enjoying myself. Woo! They can just rally over all these bumps. I'll get tossed off this bike.
Absolutely firing all the way to the end. From New Zealand, riding for Norco, I'll give it up for Sam Blankenship. Deserving athletes, bottom up and amateurs are riding.
I'd like to find a trail with a bunch of those wooden bridges and planks and stuff. That'd be kind of cool. No, they're out here. Oh my god! Never heard the term before, but someone called them like brake bumps. All that chatter. Successful day. We did not that many runs, I think 5 or 6 runs, but I'm super beat down. A lot of you guys know I broke my back and messed up my neck about 2 years ago, 2 August ago, so I definitely still feel it, especially on a hardtail, soaking up all those bumps, but super fun. I don't know if I'm a downhill mountain biker at heart, but I had a good time today, so there you go. So I don't know if we can stay here tonight, but we're gonna at least enjoy this right now. Grill some steak, have a little salad, enjoy our time. Yummy. Got ourselves a ribeye. Cool, let's eat. Also ate a salad, so don't give me too hard a time. Steak dinner, let's do it. My first Canadian ribeye. It's great. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like button's right down there. Go ahead and smash it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. Cool. Oh, my hands are tired.